Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Today I thought I'd do something a little bit different, and that is go through my process of getting ready to live stream. Got my hat, got my glasses. I do have a mic on. It's not one that I will be using when I'm live. I'm recording with the Pocket 3 because I don't plan on using this today. Oh, whoops. Ow, 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 ow. I need to get some steps in. That means no e-scooter today. That changes things a little bit. I want to be hands-free, so I'm thinking I will have the chest mount, the Action 4, the invisible selfie stick, my crossbody bag, anchor battery bank to keep everything charged, MIDI 7, the iPhone with Moblin. We will be changing things up because my computer is off, going to be 100% IRL. We're going to be streaming from Moblin to Streamable. Got a Remote OBS, I've set everything up on there. So where should I start? Well, get the chest mount I suppose. Bluetooth headset. Need to check which side is right and left. Okay, that's good. Chest mount, hoodie, glasses, hat. I'll just have a quick look outside. It looks sunny. Auckland weather is tricky. Never know, so I'm going to go with the vest. I've got the mic too, and the Rode Lav. The Rode Lav, that's going to go on my collar. The mic too, that's just going to go into my pocket. And so we've got our mic sorted, headset audio sorted, crossbody bag, lightsaber, anchor battery bank, MIDI 7, they're all ready to go. iPhone and S23 Ultra, it's going into the pocket. I guess that's me getting ready to IRL live stream. Just need to put my shoes on, then head out to the location. I'll do the rest of this video with Action 4 before I go live. Press record. Show me getting ready to go live, and then maybe show the first part of the live stream. Okay, I will see you on the other side. Cheers everybody. I don't know if I can go live to the Action 4 while I'm also recording. I am going to find out. So let's see. There is an update for Moblin. We're up to version 33.8.0 and build number 90. Risky, but let's do it. Let's just go for it. We're going to update Moblin. What to test? Fetch YouTube handle after logging in. Ooh. Okay, I think I'm really going to like that. Disable YouTube fetch video ID if channel handle is empty. MIDI 7's powered up. Wi-Fi of the iPhone connected to the MIDI 7. That's our two connections. Going to swipe back. Reopen Moblin. Let's check things. Looks like our mic is connected. So that should be working. We've got our RTMP video and audio going into the iPhone, so Moblin is good. Next step would be to boot up the server on Streamable. That's where I'm going to be streaming to, Remote OBS on their system. We're signed in, server is offline. We want to start the server. They have recently done an update to their UI. Looked good before, but looks really, really nice now. Going to start the server. Got all our details there at a glance. We can see our ingests. Let's start server. Usually takes about a minute for it to boot up. I also added chat commands, or a chatbot system where you can control the Remote OBS. I am wondering if they could add a command for the boot up sequence. So that's Streamable. Really easy, as you can see. Just log in, boot up the server. And then everything else I can control with Moblin. Tell the Remote OBS when to start streaming, when to change scenes, like let's say to starting soon, ending soon. We're currently on the starting soon scene. It's in Moblin. I've got predefined messages. There's a quick button. Going to bring them up. Now we're already on the starting scene, but I'm going to tap on send for starting soon. And then we should see some chat messages from the streamable.run bot. It says the scene has been switched to starting soon. Exclamation mark start. That'll start streaming on the Remote OBS. But firstly, before I do that, I'm just going to point the camera in this direction. So I want something a little bit better for the start of the stream. So I'll point it over here. But yeah, I think the plan is go to that predefined message. We'll do start. Have it on nothing. The little clip underneath the media source on the Remote OBS. Then I'll go live in here. And alright, oh yeah, I also need to turn on my headset, so it's currently not on at the moment. Need to open the Kick app. but after I've got live in here, yeah, I think we're good. Okay, let's do this. Press start. So stream is started according to Streamable. Then I'm going to go live. Actually, we might wait for a little bit. Okay, let's do it. I'm going to go live. We reckon we good. There's our Moblin. Right, we're live on Streamable. Remote OBS. Going good. Got our bot. Okay, Marty, thank you. Shopping. Very important. Okay, well, let's see. After we've started our stream, it's simple as using a chat command like !live. Kia ora, everyone. How are you all doing? Oh, wait a minute. We're now live. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.